Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows 11 quick access not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer. Click on these three dots and click on options, and after doing this step make sure that show recently used files in quick access must checked, and also show frequently used folder in quick access is checked. After that click on a clear, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening a command prompt, first of all type this first command. So I have already typed in notepad, so paste it, with the control V and press enter, and after doing this step type this second command. I have already typed in notepad, copy it and paste with the control V and press enter. After doing that type exit and exit the command prompt, and after doing this step restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.